Welcome to Electrical Trends. You may have noticed that this type of question are asked in the interview. That is why three phase is preferred instead of single phase, two phase, six phase, and over 12 phase. So there are several reasons for selecting the three phase or preferring the three phase. We point it out uh, one by one. The first one reason is the three phase instantaneous power is constant, hence motor torque is also constant. नेक्स्ट रीजन है रोटेटिंग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जो होती है वो थ्री फेज के लिए बनती है. नंबर नेक्स्ट रीजन है थ्री टाइम्स मोर पावर कैन बी ट्रांसफर by adding more one conductor to single phase transmission line, two conductors in case of star connection, hence economically good. And last one is that is reason transmission line loss and voltage loss are reduced by 50%.